These are my new eyelashes from my new series, Eyelashes. Birds of a feather flock together. These are the 2 inches. These are called flights. When you put these on and you blink your eyes, you are going to fly away. Jenny, good news for you. God finally gave you wings and turned you into a bird so you could fly, fly, fly far away from here. These are the 2 inches. These are called flights. Check me out. Birds of a feather flock together, lashes that will surely take you to high places. Close your eyes. Next thing you know, you've flown away. Fly, fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Birds of a feather flock together, lashes. These are the 2-inch flights. Take off. Are you ready? Get them now. Get them quick. These sell out very quickly. Everyone wants to take off. Get them. Get them while they last. They go very fast. Fly, fly away. Get these and fly off today.